Something is extremely wrong with Rolling Stone's top 200 greatest singers of all time, and here's why. With singers like Aretha Franklin, Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey in the top 5, I feel very confused why Beyoncé is in the top 10 compared to Kelly Clarkson at the end of the list, Michael Jackson at 86, Amy Winehouse at 83, even to say that Amy Winehouse is a better performer and singer than Michael Jackson, let's keep going. For James Brown at 44, I thought at least James Brown, Amy Winehouse, Michael Jackson would be in the top 10. Let's keep going. As much as I am a team member of Team Riri 68 over Michael Jackson, Amy Winehouse, let's keep going. How did Rihanna and others make it above Patti LaBelle? If you know anything about old school music, Luther Vandross should have made it at least in the top 20. Let's keep going. Prince didn't even make it in the top 10, the top 5. Who wrote this article? Anyways, I can keep going. It's a long list, but let me know what you think. Who should have made it at least in the top 10, the top 20? Do you think that Beyoncé should have been above Kelly Clarkson, Michael Jackson, James Brown? What's going on with this list? Follow for more celebrity, business, and news branding commentary.